a ball out for more. Good night, how you doing today? African music, what do you say? Good night, how you doing today? Place to rest my weary feet, or even take a seat. So I'm sitting at Dankwa Circle till the break of dawn. Hey, Charlie, Charlie, no place to rest my weary feet, or even take a seat. I don't know. So I'm sitting at Dankwa Circle, cause the heat is on and on to the crack of dawn. Hey, sitting at Dankwa Circle in the setting sun, having fun. Sitting at Dankwa Circle until the rising sun, and having fun. Lord knows that I was having fun, and also Son knows that I was having fun, sitting at Dankwa Circle. Oh Lord, cause the heat is on and on till the crack of dawn. Sitting down by the gutter, piss the shit in the gutter, sitting across from the bridge. I lay all over the bridge, settling in the area, jolting away in the area, snuggling in the arena.